just separated them into 2, added the 4, got 7 or 1. And then for number 2, I got, I moved it, and then I divided by -3 to get this out of the way. Then I had x equals -5. Oh, x equals -5 and 5, because it was just like that. And for 3, I have 40 equals 2x minus 60. So the 2x minus 60 equals 40. I moved it, added 60 to both sides, added 60 to both sides. 2x equals 100, 2x equals 20, 50, or 10. And then for 4, I got 5. I had 5 equals x minus 4, so x minus 4 equals 5, x minus 4 equals -5, plus 4, added 4 on both sides, I got 9 or -1. And then for 5, I have x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4, so I separated them into 2, obviously, and I added 2 to both sides. Then x is less than or equal to 6, x is greater than or equal to -2, so I graphed it right here. So I got -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 6. And then for 6, I had 4 is greater than or equal to absolute value of x plus 6. So I separated them into 2. Obviously negative, not negative, flip a sign. I subtracted 6 from both sides. I got -2 on this one, and then I got -10 on this one, and then I graphed it. I got -10 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to -2. Then for 7, I had x, absolute value of x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 1. So I separated them into 2, added 5 on both sides. I got x is greater than or equal to 6, x is less than or equal to 4. So I graphed it like this, and I had x is less than or equal to 4, or x is greater than or equal to 6. And then I have number 8 right here. And it was -2 times the absolute value of x minus 2 is less than or equal to -8. So I divided the -2 to get rid of it, and then I got this. X minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4, so I separated that into 2, added 2 on both sides, and I got x is less than or equal to -2. I moved this over here because it's greater. It's easier for me to see the arrows. And so I have the -2, I graphed it, and 6, graphed it. X is less than or equal to -2, or x is greater than or equal to 6. And for 9, I have the absolute value of 8x. Minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. And then, let me see. Oh, I added 3 to both sides to get rid of the -3. Then I had 8x is greater than or equal to 8, so I separated it into 2. I got 1 and -1, and then I graphed it. And for 10, I have x minus 5 is less than 2. So x minus 5 less than 2, and then x minus 5 is greater than -2. So I added 5 to both sides, got 3 and 7, and then I graphed it. And then 3 is less than x, which is less than 7. Then I have 11. X plus 20 is x plus absolute value of x plus 20 minus 7 is less than 3. So x plus 20 is less than 10. I separated that into 2, subtracted 20 from both sides, and then I got -10 and -30. Then I went and graphed it, and then I got -30 is less than x, which is less than -10. Then for 12, it was to graph this, so it was y is less than -2, x minus 5. So I went and I did -5, and then the slope up 2 over 1. So the second coordinate would be 1, -3, and then 1 or 3, 1. And it'd be a dotted line since it's like this, and then shade to the right since it's less than. And then for 13, I have it was just x is less than or equal to -20, or x is greater than -10. And then for 14, I got 65 less than or equal to x is less than 80. And then 15, I got x is greater than -5. Okay, and then 16, it was a long one, that x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 3 parentheses 3 times x plus 7 plus 11. So I just moved the parentheses. I figured that out so that x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 3x plus 21, 3 and 7 plus 11. So I added the 21 and 11, so I got x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 3x plus 37. So I moved it around and got x minus 3x is greater than or equal to 32 minus 6, because I moved this. I moved these two together and these two together. So I got 2x is greater than or equal to 36 minus 6. So negative 2x is greater than or equal to 26, and then divide that by 2 to get rid of this. Then I got x is less than or equal to 13, negative 13. And then for 17, I got 5c minus 3 is greater than c plus 17, or c minus 10 is less than, or c minus 10 minus 7c is less than 2. So on this one, I figured this out. I mixed these up, so I got c minus 5c is greater than 17 plus 3, like this. And then for that I got 4c is greater than 20, so c is greater than 5. And then on this one I got 7c minus c is less than 10 plus 2. I got negative 6c is less than 12, so I divided both of these by negative 6, and I got negative 2. And so I graphed it, and it ended up being negative 2 is less than c is less than 5. Then 18, I got, so it was, I couldn't figure this one out. And I also couldn't figure out 19. So this is my test.